Hi, I'm Rowan, and as you can see, I got my back to school haircut and my back to school nails. And while I was going back to school shopping, I picked up some things to review and unbox and cut open. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. And also, if you're watching this my time, it's we're starting school soon, so that's why I went back to school shopping and stuff. But let's just get on into the video. First I have this Kawaii Squeezies Season 5, Series 5 Fantasy Squishies, and it says Super Slow Rising, and these are the ones I can collect. So yeah, let's see, let's get into here and see which one I get. Okay, the reveal. Okay, so there's a little blind bag inside of the blind box. I got, let's see, this is the character I got, and it is this character. I think it's a cat. I think it's a cat, and it does not have a name. So, yep. Okay. Let's get on to the next one. Next thing I have is the Soft and Slow Squishies Surprised, and it says Slow Rise, and this is Series 2, and they're minis. I think these are silicone, but I'm not sure. So let's just see. Okay. Let's see which one we got. It is not a silicone squishy. I got a little cat. This is the one I got. I got a little pink cat. And yeah, that is a cool one too. I'm just gonna put that back in there, and then we can get on to cutting open the next one. So this next one I have is a Series 1 Bubblies Super. It I think has Orbeez in it, and it says reveal one secret charm, which means I think there's a charm in it. So let's just cut this open and see which one we get. And if they're not meaning for me to cut it open, why do they say reveal the secret charm? It's kind of like they're telling me to cut it open. I think this is like it looks like a little monkey, but then has like a mane like a lion. So I don't really know. So let's just see our charms here. We'll cut it back here in the back. Did I cut it? This is a very thick squishy. So thick, I can't get it. Oh, got it. Ah! There's a couple still left in there. There's still a couple left in there, but I can't get the last couple. Ah, got them. dropped a couple. Let's see what our secret charm is. We got a little, this is what we got. It's a little moon, I think. Oh wow, it's so small. Look at it compared to my hand. I think it's a blue little moon. First I'm just gonna check and see if there's any more charms. Don't think so. But this is what was in it. It's just some Orbeez. Orange Orbeez. So yeah, that's what was in there. Yeah, that's all. Sorry, Dad, I was looking away like that a lot. I was just seeing if I dropped any Orbeez, but I did not. So yeah, this is actually, this little charm in it is like a little squishy itself. So, like, if there's a little squishy inside of it, why it's like they're wanting you to cut it open. So I know that wasn't that much, but I'll be back again soon. So remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Bye. See you guys next time.